Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will focus on 10 essential vocabulary words related to the airport, whether you are a frequent traveler or just starting to learn English. Understanding these words will be helpful during your airport experience. So, let's get started.
Airport. Airport. An airport is a place where airplanes take off and land. It has various facilities such as terminals, gates, and runways. Departure. Departure. Departure refers to the act of leaving or starting a journey. When you leave from the airport, you are in the departure area. Arrival. Arrival. Arrival means reaching your destination or the act of coming to a place. When you arrive at the airport, you are in the arrival area. Check-in. Check-in. Check-in is the process of registering yourself and your luggage before a flight. You will receive your boarding pass during check-in. Boarding. Boarding. Boarding is the process of getting on the airplane. You need to present your boarding pass and passport to board the plane. Security check. Security check. Security check is the procedure where your belongings are inspected for safety reasons before entering the departure area. You need to pass through the security checkpoint. Gate. Gate. A gate is a designated area where passengers board or exit the airplane. Your boarding pass will indicate the gate number. Baggage. Baggage. Baggage refers to the suitcases and bags you bring with you when traveling. It can be either checked-in luggage or carry-on luggage. Passport. Passport. A passport is an official document issued by your country that proves your identity and nationality. You need to have a valid passport to travel internationally. Customs. Customs. Customs is the official inspection of your belongings when you enter a new country. It ensures that you are not carrying any prohibited items.
Congratulations! You have learned 10 essential English vocabulary words for the airport. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.